Welcome to Routemap for Jira. This tutorial video will show you how to plan your Jira projects and manage releases on a Kanban board. If you are more interested in planning releases, milestones, and version timelines on a roadmap, please check out this video. The concept is simple. We want to provide a new way to manage your product releases more systematically, where you can visualize all your releases and Jira issues as columns and issue cards. Each column represents a version of a specific project and shows its start and end dates. You can always create a new version directly from the releases Kanban. Simply choose to create a version, select a Jira project that you want to add a version, name that version, and select the version timeline. For swim lanes, you can use them as a way to arrange tasks of different members, teams, or even priorities to help everyone get on the same page. From this Kanban board, you can freely manage the project's version releases. Drag your existing Jira issues to the board from the issue box, or by adding manually. You can also create new Jira issues for your project and adjust the board as you need. Effortlessly keep track of each other's progress with just a glance. And once all tasks are completed, you can then go ahead and release that version directly. Or move the unfinished tasks somewhere else, so you or your team can tackle them later. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial video.